If your Carrier air conditioner compressor is dead but someone's telling you to replace the whole system for $8,000, hold up and hear me out before you drop that cash. Here's the deal. Compressors for Carrier units, especially from around 2015, are definitely still available. You just gotta know where to look. First, snag both the model number and the serial number from your outdoor unit. The serial number usually has a date code, and the model number tells you exactly what part fits. Don't just trust one opinion, get a second or even a third HVAC tech to check it out, preferably someone who actually knows repairs, not just sales. When you're hunting for a replacement compressor, try to find one made in America or Germany. Avoid other foreign brands that can be sketchy or hard to get parts for later. Replacing just the compressor usually costs around $1,000 plus labor, which might run you up to $2,000 total if you find a good independent tech. That's way cheaper than a full system install, which can hit $8,000 or more, with no warranty on all those new parts. If you have a buddy who's handy or knows an AC tech, that could save you even more cash, because sometimes local guys do repairs for less and won't push you into buying a new system. And always ask if your compressor might still be under warranty before making any big moves. One of the biggest mistakes people make with an HVAC compressor issue is assuming they have to replace the entire system when it's not true. The key search terms here are Carrier compressor replacement and repair versus replace HVAC. Fix. Get a second opinion from a qualified repair tech to avoid unnecessary costs. Another common problem is not having the correct model and serial number when ordering parts, which leads to delays or wrong parts showing up. Fix. Always write down both numbers before calling suppliers. Lastly, many homeowners fall for high-pressure sales tactics that push a full replacement instead of repair. Fix. Do your homework and seek out independent contractors who focus on repairs, not just installations. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't try to sell you something you don't need. For contractors, it's a great way to get real work from people who want honest repairs or projects done right without wasting time on leads that go nowhere.